Bitcoin wouldn't be where it is today without the internet. Through its countless connections, the Bitcoin network is able to achieve consensus across the globe, with everyone running the same protocol, verifying the same data, and maintaining the same ledger. But what would happen if one day your internet was suddenly disconnected? 3 years ago today, we launched Blockstream Satellite, a project that offers Bitcoin users an alternative to the internet. Since then, Blockstream Satellite has been connecting people all over the world to the Bitcoin network. Whether your internet connection is expensive or restricted or has been affected by natural disaster, Blockstream Satellite ensures that your Bitcoin node is always online. Join us in protecting the Bitcoin network.